Welcome back to another video, another Bitcoin update. We're going to be having a look at Bitcoin right here on the daily time frame. Bitcoin keeps on making lower highs on the longer time frames, but of course on the shorter time frames we are making higher highs. We're going to be dissecting this chart in just a second. We're also looking right here at a Bitcoin bullish divergence right here with a rejection or a potential rejection right here sitting at the exponential moving average. So this is definitely going to be interesting. If you guys do like these videos, of course, don't forget to smash the subscribe button, leave a like, turn those notification bells on. That would really mean a lot. 12 subscribers on my new channel. So make sure you guys hit that subscribe button. Diving into Bitcoin right here, you guys can see that Bitcoin is making lower highs on the longer time frame, on the weekly time frame, but on the longer, shorter time frame, we are making higher highs, which is obviously a bullish pattern. Now, inside that higher high pattern, Bitcoin is in a massive bull flag. Now, not only are we in a bull flag, but we're also in a falling wedge. Now, falling wedges are usually bullish. We're going to have to see if Bitcoin can successfully break above this bullish falling wedge right here over the weekend. If we have a successful closure above it, that's going to be bullish news. Another thing that I do want to talk about, guys, is a stochastic RSI right here. As you guys can see, we are looking oversold, and we know historically every time we are oversold, Bitcoin tends to make these big moves to the upside. So we were oversold right here. Bitcoin did swing from 53,000 all the way to 65,000, and we also saw another oversold move right here when Bitcoin was at 54,000, 53,000 again, and we made a nice little move to 64,000. That was a $10,000 move, and pretty much that's about it. So obviously very interesting things are pretty much happening right now, and we're gonna have to see really what happens over the weekend on Bitcoin. So pretty much that's that on the daily time frame. If we have a look on the 4-hour time frame, that is actually quite interesting because we could see right here that Bitcoin is in a bullish divergence. Now, what exactly is a bullish divergence? Well, it's when the chart is making lower lows, and you could see right here that on the stock RSI, or the regular RSI I should say, we are making higher lows. So that is obviously bullish. This is bearish, and obviously this is a bullish divergence. And so we're gonna have to see what happens here. We know that we did break above the regular RSI moving average right here, and the last time we did that, Bitcoin did have a nice little swing when we broke above it on the 3rd of October. So obviously this was about a week ago, and Bitcoin made a nice little move from $60,000 all the way to 64,000, which was a $4,000 move. Now, we know historically every time Bitcoin is below the RSI, or below the EMA ribbons, we usually are bearish. So we're gonna have to see what happens here, and if Bitcoin can successfully close above the regular EMA ribbon, because if we have a nice little pump right here and we close above it, we could expect a nice little pump and a continuation. But remember, guys, this was a huge fake out on Bitcoin on the 4-hour time frame. So pretty much that's what's happening right now. We could have a short-term trade, but we know, guys, every time we are above it, obviously we always have that nice little swing to the upside. When we are below it, we're pretty much bearish. I could pretty much be making this all day, bearish, bearish, bearish. So above it is bullish, below it is bearish, and pretty much that's about it. So I mean, nothing too much to see over here, guys. It's been quite shaky market overall. Bitcoin falling wedge is probably the most bullish thing that you're looking at right now. Also this bull pennant. Another thing is that if we have a look on the longer time frame, on the weekly time frame, we could see that inside that bull pennant we have another bull pennant on the outside, or bull flag, which is pretty darn crazy, and we're looking at a massive bull flag right now. So I mean, without even drawing, you guys can see that this is probably one of the cleanest bull flags out there. From the 28th of November 2022, this is when Bitcoin started going up, and now we're pretty much consolidating. And the big question is Bitcoin getting ready for a massive move to $150,000, or is this just all a fake out? So that is my video for today, guys. Nothing too crazy to see over here. If you guys do like these videos, of course, I do post daily Bitcoin updates. I started on this new channel, of course. Don't forget to smash that subscribe button once again, and I will see you guys in my next